Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show an updated fold for stockings, and it's actually quite simple. The reason for the new fold is I just wanted everything to stay intact while you're kind of rummaging through your clothes. I hate it when you have beautifully stacked of clothes but you're trying to find that one piece. So I'm going to show you. So go ahead and fold it in half, your stockings. And I'm just going to move up the fabric so you can see. So on the foot, go ahead and fold it upwards. I do want a long rectangle. I want it contained in that rectangle, so just move it to the side and then fold inwards. So we have that long rectangle we're working with. For uniformity reasons, I'm going to use this book as a guide, and you just keep on rolling it up. You want to leave a little bit of space so you could tuck it in. So that's the top of the tights. So you want to tuck it into itself. So kind of acts like a rubber band holding it together. But there's the surface area that you'll see in your drawer. So I only had one this time, but if you stack it in the drawer, it will look very uniform and nice, and you could rummage through it very easily. So I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks.